Low carb diets have surged in popularity thanks to their ability to help people lose weight, stabilize blood sugar, and reverse many chronic conditions. In today's video, I'm going to provide you with 60 of my best low carb recipes to burn fat and lose weight. Low carb keto breakfast burrito with bacon and avocado. Nothing beats the simplicity of a one-hand meal. This breakfast burrito uses eggs to form a spongy tortilla that holds the dish together. Kale and Eggs Benedict. Get your greens by pairing them with this gourmet egg dish served over kale slathered with yummy paleo hollandaise. Creamy cauliflower and ground beef skillet. This dish flavors meat and veggies with lively jalapeno, creamy sunflower seed butter, and savory coconut aminos for a spicy Asian inspired flavor that won't disappoint. Amazing low carb keto bread. You don't have to go breadless on a keto diet thanks to this amazing fluffy loaf packed with protein and healthy fats. Keto low carb creamy shrimp and bacon skillet. Bacon, mushrooms, and shrimp come together in a savory, salty skillet meal that is perfect for a weeknight dinner. Leftovers work perfectly for breakfast too. Healthy chicken pot pie. If you're craving comfort food, then this individual-sized pot pie will hit the spot. Low in carbs and completely paleo, you'll revisit this recipe on a regular basis. 15-minute pesto shrimp pasta with zucchini noodles. Who says pasta night can't exist on a keto menu? Use this quick prep shrimp and pasta dish on a weekly basis to save time. Salmon poppers. Half appetizer, half snack, these salmon poppers are gourmet enough to impress guests and filling enough to satisfy any snack craving. Lemon vanilla meltaways. Craving something sweet? These bite-sized fat bombs are rich in flavor and low in carbs. Protein-packed mango shrimp hand rolls. Don't succumb to takeout food that will blow your carb count out of the water. Make these delicious mango and avocado hand rolls instead. Sauteed chicken livers and baby kale salad. Chicken liver has a milder taste than beef liver, making it an easy way to introduce organ meat to your diet. It's rich in iron and protein, and when paired with this delicate kale salad, it packs a super nutrient punch. Ice cube tray dark chocolate. You don't have to live a fudgeless life on a low carb diet. Making your own chocolate at home cuts down on unnecessary sugar and carbs and is deliciously simple. Parsnip chips. Need something crunchy to scoop up some guac? These parsnip chips have just 4 net carbs per serving and they taste delicious with any keto-friendly dip. Tahini marinated chicken. Batch cook this flavorful chicken dish for easy lunches during the week or freeze some for later. Paleo quiche with a nut-free, grain-free crust. This low-carb leek and asparagus quiche is a great way to sneak in some veggies for those who are less than enthused about eating them plain. Crispy salmon fillet with lemon balsamic. Add cauliflower fried rice to this crispy salmon paired with colorful spiral sliced broccoli, carrots, and zucchini. Roasted Brussels sprouts with pecans and avocado. You can't go wrong with roasted Brussels sprouts, and when pairing with the nutty goodness of pecans and avocado, these mini cabbage will shoot to the top of your favorite veggie list. Zucchini noodles with meat sauce. Spaghetti night is here to stay with this tasty zoodles and hearty meat sauce dish. Low carb soft tortillas. Taco night gets a full treatment with this keto-friendly recipe for soft, melt-in-your-mouth tortillas, guac, taco meat, and salsa. Instant pot cauliflower soup with sausage. Put your pressure cooker to work with this soup that is reminiscent of warming potato soup without all the unnecessary carbs. Low-carb Mexican cauliflower rice. Zest up taco or Mexican night with this delicious Mexican twist on fried cauliflower rice. Grain-free taco casserole. Don't use a dozen dishes prepping your taco night feast. Whip up this one dish casserole wonder that's sure to be a family hit. Guacamole deviled eggs. When paired with avocado, deviled eggs become a low carb, high fat, and convenient superfood you'll always want to have on hand. Keto mint chip pudding. Get your mint chocolate fix with this super simple keto pudding. Your only one problem will be not wanting to share. Strawberry matcha chia pudding. Use any berries you like to make this chia pudding your own. The Bacon Weave BLTA sandwich. Bacon is a superstar of the low-carb keto world, and what better way to show it off than by weaving it into buns for this hearty egg sandwich. Egg roll-up. Customize this genius roll-up with your favorite ingredients, or stick to this recipe's classic combo, bacon, basil, and grains. Nutty coconut fat bombs. Missing the taste of peanut butter cups? These fat bombs will stand in nicely. Make sure you limit yourself to one serving, although we admit that'll be pretty tough. Keto turkey and egg breakfast skillet. Skillet breakfasts are fast and easy, and this turkey and egg skillet is no exception. It works perfectly for weeknight dinner, brunch, or even an energy boosting afternoon snack. 5-minute cream of tomato soup. Don't miss out on classically delicious tomato soup, making it the keto way with this quick and simple recipe that's also vegan. 3-ingredient bacon and egg cups. Prep breakfast quick with these 3-ingredient breakfast muffins. Coop up with a batch of these single serving wonders and reheat for the week for easy breakfasts and snacks. Low carb blueberry pancakes. You don't have to give up pancakes on a low carb diet. Try these out. Chocolate almond butter brownies. Desserts isn't canceled just because you're cutting carbs. Swap stevia for the sweetener to slash the carbs down even further with these rich and decadent brownies. Bread rolls. Low carb and egg free, these rolls pair perfectly with any keto soup or main dish. For a simple snack, serve one up plain with a dollop of butter or ghee. Prosciutto wrapped asparagus dipped in soft boiled eggs. Part breakfast, part appetizer, this dish is so gourmet you'll start prepping for your cooking show audition. Chicken bacon ranch casserole. If you need a dairy-free fix that can sub in for buffalo pizza night, this recipe will hit the spot and have you coming back for seconds. Salmon stuffed avocado. This dish is far from breakfast-only food. It's perfect for a quick prep lunch, snack, or appetizer too. Be sure to stick with homemade mayo and not cream to keep it paleo. Shrimp and cauliflower grits. Dig into this tasty dish filled with spicy shrimp and cheesy cauliflower grits. Flaxseed focaccia bread. Spread some grass-fed butter and mashed avocado on this high-fiber paleo bread for a delightful afternoon snack with only 1 net carb per slice. Low-carb strawberry crunch smoothie. If you love starting your day off with a smoothie, this strawberry chia shake is low-carb, paleo, and keto. Add a scoop of collagen peptides for an extra gut boost and 10 more grams of protein. Brussels sprout breakfast hash with eggs. This hash dish is rich in fiber, low in carbs, and the perfect quick prep meal for any time of the day. Cauliflower fritters. Whether you're eating these fritters alone or pairing them with your favorite breakfast meat, they'll easily become a favorite staple. Batch cook them and keep them individually packed in the freezer for easy meals and snacks. Meat bagels. While it may not be the same thing as a starchy bagel, this genius meat bagel is perfect for holding it together the perfect sandwich. Think avocado toast elevated. Prosciutto wrapped avocado egg. This combo of salty and nutty prosciutto with creamy avocado and folate-rich eggs creates a nutrient-rich meal with plenty of healthy fats. Keto paleo gelatin pudding. When you need that sweet fix, this smooth, creamy, and gut-friendly gelatin pudding only feels like a cheat meal. Easy carb, keto, no meal. Nothing is more comforting than a warm bowl of breakfast cereal, and this keto-friendly no oatmeal is the best way to start your day. Low carb bacon asparagus casserole. Bacon and veggies combines in this one dish winner for a low carb fiber rich dish. Bonus, it freezes well for easy meal prep. Kale and mushroom sausage patties. Store-bought sausages have sugar and other non-keto ingredients, but these savory homemade patties are bound together with veggies and mushrooms for nutritious patties without the filler. Orange and walnut chocolate fat bombs. Pop a mouthful of decadence with these citrus chocolate fat bombs. Sub in pecans or almonds if you can't eat walnuts. Cheesy broccoli breakfast muffins. If you miss the unmistakable flavor of cheese, these breakfast broccoli muffins will become your new fave. They use nutritional yeast, rich in B vitamins, to create a cheesy flavor without the dairy. Keto banana bread. Think you can't have banana on a keto diet? Think again with this low-carb paleo bread that has just 6 net carbs per slice. Chicken and zucchini poppers. Whether you need a bite-sized appetizer or a kid-friendly meal, these poppers are low in carbs and super easy to make. Plus, they taste delish when dipped in paleo mayo or guac. Keto breakfast burger with avocado buns. This burger will get your hands messy, so you may want to grab a fork, but don't keep it in a box of breakfast only. It also makes for a perfect burger night dinner. Instant pot coconut yogurt. Enjoy a creamy and probiotic-filled bowl of yogurt without the added sugars, thanks to the wonders of pressure cooking. Pair it with your favorite berries and even add a few drops of stevia to sweeten it up. Cauliflower tortillas. Tortillas made from cauliflower? What can't this versatile veggie do? These low-carb wraps are perfect for taco night or breakfast burritos. Bacon chips and guacamole dip. Two of the greatest foods in the world, bacon and guac, joined together for an ingenious snack that will have you licking your fingers and coming back for seconds. 3-ingredient cloud bread. You don't need a complicated list of ingredients to make the perfect bread. In fact, you only need 3. The results are fluffy goodness that pairs with whatever bready sidekick you desire. Keto and paleo quiche. Whip up this quiche filled with olives and bacon for an energy boosting breakfast. Bacon wrapped avocado fries. We saved the best for last. These avocado wrapped in bacon is pretty much the definition of perfection.